Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Matlock, Manitoba. This peaceful lakeside community sits along the western shore of Lake Winnipeg, about an hour north of Winnipeg. Matlock has been a popular summer getaway for many years, with people coming here to relax by the water, fish, and enjoy the beautiful views. The area was first settled in the early 1900s by families looking for good farmland and a quiet place to live. Over time, Matlock became known for its beaches, small cottages, and friendly laid-back feel. The Matlock Pier was once a well-known spot for fishing and gathering, and though the original pier is gone, the memories of those days still remain. Today, the community is a mix of year-round homes and summer cottages, with open skies, sandy shores, and a peaceful atmosphere. It's a wonderful place to enjoy nature, watch sunsets over the lake, and take in the quiet beauty of Manitoba's lakeside countryside. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Matlock, Manitoba.
Watching.